Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today let's talk a little bit more about Fortnite. So this isn't just a game anymore, it's an entire universe. So before you can drop into the island, you're going to be needing to install this correctly. So the first step to download this pretty game is to go directly into your browser. I'm going to go into my browser, I'm going to go for a new tab, and once I am inside here into my Google, search Google, we can type a URL. In my case, what I'm going to be doing here is just to type Fortnite. If you don't see the Google search bar, you can always go into the upper corner and the URL go for Fortnite.com. This will be leading you directly into the official Fortnite download page. So what you want to do is to click into the upper section that says download. If you don't see this download, what you need to do is to focus directly into Fortnite.com/download, which usually appears into the upper right corner that says download. Now there's a second option that I can suggest to you, but basically what's going to happen is that you're going to be downloading the Epic installer, not the actual Fortnite. So basically the launcher is going to be appearing directly inside your computer, and it's going to be looking like this. So what I wanted to do is to open the Epic game launcher. Basically, if you play on PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, you can use the sign in with console option, because it's going to be ensuring all your skins and V-Bucks can sync across all your actual device. Now in my case, I will be canceling this recent download because we currently have the Epic games already been installed directly into my computer. So make sure that when you run this as administrator, it appears directly inside here. So once you are directly inside this element, you don't want to skip the two-factor authentication. Basically, Epic requires two-factor authentication if you want to compete tournaments and set gift to your actual friends. So what you want to do that inside the actual launcher, you want to find the actual storage. And here what you want to do is to look out for Fortnite. If you don't see it, what you need to do is to go back into your order. Here into the store, you want to click directly inside here and look for the option. Once again, it says Fortnite. Usually it's going to be appearing directly inside here. There we go. And here it is into the upper side, it says basic games. So what we wanted to do is to click into this element that says Fortnite and look out for the option that says install. Right, so make sure that before you install this, you have enough storage into your computer in order for making the actual downloadable elements. So here, what I'm going to be doing here is to make sure that into the upper side, you can download these actual games. I'm going to make this a little bit much more bigger. Now that it's directly into my library, I'm going to make sure that I click directly inside here. Let's go for the option that says install. So you see the actual Fortnite title sailing in there, ready for the actual installation. Before you hit install, you want to click into the actual three dots of the options below the title, so you can have the more important step, which is you can uncheck the high resolution texture. This will be saving about 15 elements, for example. Basically, this is going to be really awesome. So I'm going to just delete this high resolution section. Fortnite Save the World. If you owned this, it's going to be appearing directly inside here. So we're going to be just focusing into the core and the battle royale element. So as you can see, the high resolution texture won't be applied into this installation. So once you hit into this element that says install, just click inside them and you're actually good to go. Now you don't want to skip that because the pre-downloaded streamed assets, this is stopped the actual game for actually playing, so which fixes the random lag. So you click into the option that says install, make sure you are installing this one into your SSD and you're actually good to go. Once downloaded, it's finished, you can hit into the option that says launched. On the first run, Windows might ask for firewall access, whatever. Let's just say yes, go for the actual games. Just in case the game feels laggy, for example, you can go for the settings and look for the rendering mode for most PCs, performance lower fidelity elements. So this might be taking a long it's going to be taking a lot of here, so I wanted to cancel this. I'm going to be doing this later on. Usually it might be taking up to 12 hours to download, depending on the actual speed of your actual computer. So if you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hopefully we can all see you well next time.